Now we will learn antiderivatives of inverse trigonometric function like sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, cot inverse x. So let us understand. 10th one, what is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 upon root 1 minus x square, right? So 1 upon root 1 minus x square, derivative is how much? Sin inverse x. So this is sin inverse x plus c. And sin inverse x we can write pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, and this is plus c. Why? Because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So this sin inverse x can be replaced by pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So now it became minus cos inverse x plus pi by 2 plus c. So pi by 2 plus c, this pi by 2 is added to this arbitrary constant. So it became new arbitrary constant. So I can write minus cos inverse x plus c dash. Okay? Pi by 2 plus. Okay. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 over 1 plus x square. So it means if I write 1 over 1 plus x square integration, it means it would be tan inverse x plus c, or tan inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. So I can write minus cot inverse x plus c dash, means it will be c. So 1 over 1 plus x square tan inverse x plus c, 1 over or minus cot inverse x plus c. Now 12th one, what is the derivative of sec inverse x? Sec inverse x derivative was 1 over mod x root x square minus 1. So this is a 12th point. If I take integration of 1 over mod x root x square minus 1, then what is the answer? Answer would be sec inverse x plus c. And we know sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals pi by 2. So sec inverse x we can replace as minus cosec inverse x plus pi by 2. So this time it would be minus cosec inverse x, pi by 2 plus c is again new c. So 1 over mod x root x square minus 1 will be sec inverse x or minus cosec inverse x as an integration. So these 12 are basic formulas which you have to learn while doing integration. Now there are some methods to solve indefinite integration like substitution method, by parts method, or partial fraction methods. Or there are some questions in which there is no proper method, just you have to think there is a logical question. Before applying any method, first you have to observe. Maybe that question can be quickly solved without using formula. To learn, there are some methods to solve integration. First is substitution method, second is by parts method, third is partial fraction method, and fourth is some standard formulas or formats. So what is this? We will understand later. First topic is substitution method. Okay, so now substitution method is, for example, we have f of ax plus b dx, and now we have to integrate this. Okay, so how can we integrate, or what will be integration? Let us understand. Let ax plus b as t, ax plus b as t we can consider. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to t. So this is a, and x derivative will be dx over dt, d is 0, and t derivative with respect to t is 1. So what we got? A times dx, and this dt will come here. Okay, so this step you can skip directly, you can write this step. A, x will be dx, d is 0, t will be dt. So a dx equals dt. But we have to replace ax plus b as well as dx. So dx equal to dt over a. This a will come in the denominator of dt. So what is integration right now? F of ax plus b as t. So this is f of t, and dx is dt over a. So this is dt over a. Okay. So there will be some function. It will be capital F of t over a plus c. I mean function will be integrated, and then you will have another function f of t over a plus c, and this t you have to replace by ax plus b. So now you will have f of ax plus b over a plus c. How can we apply this and where can we apply this? Let us understand. Today you have learned cos x, or you have learned sin x integration, right? So sin x integration was minus cos x. But right now I am writing sin 5x plus 10 integration. Then directly we can write sin integration is minus cos, and function is going to change. This f, small f, is becoming capital F. It means function is going to change. So this sign will change as minus cos, and whatever inside angle we have to keep that one as it is, because f of ax plus b, here it was f of ax plus b. So this is 5x plus 10, and this a, I mean x coefficient, came in denominator. So x coefficient is 5, it will be over here, and now plus c. So sin 5x plus 10 dx integration is minus cos 5x plus 10 over 5 plus c. Okay? We can do this question by using this concept, substitution concept. Right now I have just applied a direct result, which you have to use when you will solve question. Then you will use this result. But this is the starting time, so we can understand from the beginning. If you don't know, you have to keep coefficient of x in denominator. Then you will take 5x plus 10 as t. So let 5x plus 10 as t. Then you will differentiate 5 as it is, x derivative dx, 10 0, t dt. So dx we got dt over 5. Now this question will be sine of 5x plus 10 as t. So this is sine t, and dx is dt over 5, right? So we got 1 over 5 sin t dt. Okay, 1 over 5 sin t dt. So right now here 1 over 5, and sin t integration is minus cos t plus c. And what is this? This is same thing. Minus 1 over 5, which is here, and cos, which is here, and t again we have to replace 5x plus 10 we will get. So this is the beauty of this result. Okay, let's do one more example. I have taken this question. In this question, I have tried to use all formulas or some of the formulas which I had given. 10x plus 1 raised to 100, e raised to minus 5x, 1 over 7x minus 10, cos 9x, sec square 11x plus 12, cosec 5x times cot 5x. So we will integrate. But I want to use direct result. I don't want to substitute 10x plus 1 as t and all. Then it will be too long, because indirectly how many questions are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 small questions I have accumulated in one. So I am going to use direct result. X coefficient I will integrate according to formulas, and whatever x coefficient will be there, I will take that x coefficient in denominator. So let us understand. I means integration. So this I will be 10x plus 1 is like x raised to n integration was x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this is 10x plus 1 raised to 100 plus 1 over 100 plus 1, but we have to take x coefficient also over here, which is x coefficient 10, which I have to write over here. Now e raised to x derivative was e raised to x. So this is e raised to minus 5x, so it will be e raised to minus 5x. But x coefficient is -5, so -5 will be here. Now 1 over x integration is ln x. So this is 1 over 7x minus 10, it would be ln 7x minus 10, but x coefficient is 7, so 7 will come in denominator, right? Now cos x integration is sin x. So this is sin 9x, because cos 9x, so sin 9x, but x coefficient is 9, so denominator will be 9. Now this is sec square, so sec square x integration was tan x. So this is sec square 11x plus 12, so it would be tan of 11x plus 12, but x coefficient is 11, so 11 will be in denominator. Okay, now this is cosec 5x cot 5x. So now you have to recall cosec x cot x. So cosec x cot x integration was minus cosec x. So this time it would be minus cosec 5x, but x coefficient is 5, so here it will be 5. So this is integration, and we have to add plus c, because c always we are using after integration. So I hope you understood. So in this we have used the direct application of f of ax plus b dx. Now this is also a kind of result. F dash x over fx dx is ln fx plus c. We can understand this by the concept of substitution method. Let fx as t, now differentiate. F derivative is f dash, and chain rule, according to chain rule, x will be dx and t will be dt. Okay, so now this question f dash x times dx, if you combine the numerator part, then f dash x times dx became dt. So it is dt, and fx as t, so it will be t. So it is 1 over t, which is ln t plus c, and ln and t was fx, so it would be f of x plus c. So now I am going to give you 1 or 2 examples where I will use direct result. I am not going to use this concept. Direct result I will use. So question is, find tan x second, cot x third, sec x fourth, cosec x. Okay, so these 4 questions I have given. Right now these 4 are questions, but after solving these 4 are formulas. So these 4 are your formulas actually, which you have to add in the previous list. Okay, so let us understand. First tan x. So first you will write sin x over cos x dx. Okay, this one. So tan is sin over cos dx. So here, what is this? Cos x. What is this sin x? So cos x derivative is minus sin x. So this is only sin x. So what we can do? We can write minus of minus sin x cos x dx. Okay. So this minus will be plus. So cos x derivative is now minus sin x. So this time this is fx, f dash x. Answer is ln fx. So answer would be minus, and this minus will be here. Minus sin x over cos x will be ln cos x plus c. This is in mod, and because of log property, this minus will come in the power of this. So this is ln cos x raised to minus 1 mod plus c, which is ln sec x plus c. Okay, so tan x integration is ln sec x, which I have derived, but right now it is formula which you have to learn. Tan x, the integration ln sec x. Likewise we have to do these 4. Cot x we can write cos x over sin x. So sin x derivative is cos x, right? So this is fx, this is f dash x. So directly we can write ln fx, it means ln sin x. What we got? Cot x integration is ln sin x. Now third one, which is sec x. So here there is a challenge how to solve it. Let's do. So what I will do, I will write sec x integration as sec x times sec x plus tan x over sec x plus tan x, and this is dx, right? So this is sec x plus tan x, this is sec x plus tan x, this bracket and this bracket got cancelled, it would be sec x, and this sec x and this sec x would be same. So actually question are same. I have not altered the question. Now multiply sec and sec, you will have sec square x, and sec and tan, then you will have sec x tan x over sec x plus tan x dx. Okay? Now you can observe this is sec x, this is tan x. Sec x derivative is sec x tan x. Tan x derivative is sec square x. It means this is fx, this is f dash x. So answer is ln fx. It means ln sec x plus tan x plus c. Okay? Now in this sec x plus tan x, if you apply trigonometry concept, I mean trigonometry formulas and all, then you will have ln tan x by 2 plus pi by 4 plus c. This is your task, I am sure you can do this. So sec x formula we got ln sec x plus tan x or ln tan x by 2 plus pi by 4. One integration of cosec x. So here we can write cosec x times cosec x minus cot x over cosec x minus cot x and dx. Okay? So this bracket I have added over here, I mean I have multiplied, then I have divided also. So these two brackets got cancelled, then I will get only cosec x. Now this cosec x times cosec x, it would be cosec square x minus cosec x times cot x minus cosec x times cot x over cosec x minus cot x, cosec x minus cot x. Okay? So this is the expression I got. Now we have to check cosec x derivative is minus cosec x cot x, and cot x derivative is minus cosec square. It means minus cot x derivative is plus cosec square. So overall this is fx, then this is f dash x. So I got f dash x over fx concept. So again, what is the answer? Ln fx, it means ln cosec x minus cot x plus c. I got this. Now in this, if you apply trigonometry, then you will get ln tan x by 2. So we have two formulas of cosec x, ln cosec x minus cot x or ln tan x by 2. So previously I had given some basic formulas. In that you can add these four formulas. Okay, now we are going to learn this question which is based on substitution method. Let us understand. It looks like very bulky question, right? Very tough one. But if you observe, then you can break this 2x over root 1 minus x square, you can write this root sin inverse x over root 1 minus x square, you can write. So I will break this question 2x over root 1 minus x square, then minus, I will write dx, then minus, then this integration root sin inverse x over root 1 minus x square dx. Okay. Now, if you observe 1 minus x square, how will you think whether you have to use substitution method or something else, or it is a direct formula? Now, if I observe, then I am finding x square derivative somewhere it is coming 2x. So here in this question, let 1 minus x square as t. So I will differentiate, this is 0, this is minus 2x, x derivative dx, t is dt. So I got 2x dx as minus dt. Okay, this 2x dx, this minus I can take over here. Then this function, this 2x dx, I can replace by minus dt over, this is root 1 minus x square was t, so this is t. Okay. Now this side, sin inverse x, this time we have to think. Earlier we thought from denominator, because if we were differentiating denominator, then we got numerator. This time you have to think about numerator, because sin inverse x derivative you will have 1 over root 1 minus x square. So let sin inverse x equals alpha, for example, then take derivative 1 over root 1 minus x square, and x derivative is dx, and this is d alpha. So what we are getting? We are getting dx over root 1 minus x square as d alpha. This is minus, so this is minus, this is I, so this is I. So I equals minus dt over root t minus integration. This is root sin inverse x is alpha, so root alpha, dx over root 1 minus x square is d alpha. Okay. Now what we got? I equals minus, outside I have taken 1 over root t, it means this is t raised to minus half dt, and minus this minus, and this is alpha raised to half d alpha. Now we have to integrate. I equals this minus t raised to minus half plus 1, because x raised to n integration is x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this minus half plus half, so it will be half and over half, then this is minus alpha raised to half plus 1, which is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 now plus 3. So what we got? We got I equals minus 2 root t minus 2 over 3 alpha raised to 3 over 2 plus c. But this is not our final answer. We have to remove this t and that alpha. So I equals, I will get minus 2 root, now t was 1 minus x square. So it is 1 minus x square. Now minus 2 over 3. This is minus 2 over 3. And alpha raised to 3 over 2. What was alpha? Sin inverse x. So this is sin inverse x raised to 3 over 2 plus c. So this is our final answer. So one question I have given based on substitution method, which is not based on any formula like basic formulas or tan x, cot x or sec x integration. It is not based on that. This is simply just a question which is based on substitution method.